Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. I'm sitting here with the owner, Mike.
Hey, how you doing, Mike?
What a car, bro.
Thank you.
69 Chevelle, 396 SS, power steering, power brakes, and it's a 350 horsepower
350
too.
horse, yeah.
Numbers matching. Beautiful. Just came out of the shop, right?
Numbers matching motor, rebuilt. The transmission is numbers matching. It's got a brand new clutch in it.
Okay.
Rear end's been redone.
12 bolt rear.
14 gears. 4 brand new tires. What else can I tell you about the car? The car is extremely original.
Original quarters, right?
Original quarters, GM
Original
quarters. M3 or T3 headlights.
Yeah, T3 headlights all up front, four of them.
Front. Heater works. Got the Bluetooth radio in it.
It's hidden in the glove box.
The CD is hidden in the glove box. And the Bluetooth is in the dash.
Okay.
The glass on it is in excellent shape. Power steering, power disc brakes.
Yeah.
It's got the 12 bolt in it. Like I said, you're not going to find many Chevelles that are as original as this car. It has been resprayed.
It looks pretty fresh too. You just had that done?
Just had it done. Got out of the body shop less than a year ago.
Wow.
So,
fresh paint, guys. Brand new tires all the way around, sitting on rallies. 396, matching number, 350 horse with a 4-speed. Absolutely awesome. Runs beautiful, huh?
nice and smooth, you know?
Yeah. Did you rebuild the motor also?
Motor's been rebuilt.
Beautiful. Really fresh.
Yeah, all the tranny been rebuilt. Rear end, front end.
All new bushings, everything.
All new bushings.
Lots of new parts I see. It's done right too. Not overly done.
Exactly.
You've got the right you've got the right power clamps on there. They're just not regular clamps.
Right.
Very, very just done right. Points and condenser, no electronic ignition. The way it was.
The way it was back in '69.
Beautiful interior.
It works. The steering locking mechanism works. It will lock itself in gear.
Okay.
Also, the car won't start unless you press on the clutch like it was supposed to.
Like it's supposed
And the clock works on the car.
to. Imagine that.
So,
look at that. Working clock. That's great.
you always walk away from a car show with either a first or second.
Stereo's hidden in the glove. Super nice dash pad. Beautiful headliner. Perfect package trays. That's 6x9s back there. Those are JLs. Beautiful back seat with all the correct seat belts.
And shoulder belts it has also.
That's cool. Yeah. Mike, can you pop the trunk? All new weather stripping everywhere.
And it's got the original spare.
Man, with the wide tread poly.
Yeah.
That's great. Really cool. You can see the GM stampings on the quarters. Those are original. Same thing on this side. The factory weld. Just awesome. And that paint is gleaming. Just as nice as it gets. Nice rumble to it too.
Yeah. Needs to be driven. I'll drive it for you.
Gorgeous floors. Cool looking floors. Brand new. Got the beach pipe too. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, Mike, thank you so much for showing us your car.
You're very welcome, Mike.
Beautiful.
Thank you for coming. Appreciate it.
And guys, if you have any questions at all, hit me up. I'm at 631-339-0399. And have a great day.